Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Shay, and don't forget to follow me on my socials at ItsShayWhite. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I go from curly to straight hair. I'm going to share with you the exact tools that I use, all of the products that I use, which definitely help with preventing heat damage, and take you step by step on my routine. This is very helpful for now, especially with COVID and the pandemic. If you're concerned for safety reasons about actually going to a salon, or if you're just trying to save your coins and you're not able to go as often as you usually would go, this is a good routine just to show you how you can straighten your hair at home and get very similar results. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So here I'm starting off with old dirty hair. And I'm just going to fully saturate my hair in the water, make sure I get each and every curl just to give myself a good starting point. So when shampooing, I like to make sure I use a deep cleansing shampoo to make sure I get all of that dirt and any buildup out. Today I'm using the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Deep Cleansing Shampoo by Shea Moisture, which has tea tree oil and willow bark extract. Here I focus on my roots predominantly because that's where most of the oil is, and make sure I get really good in the bottom, all sections. And then as you rinse the soap out, it'll cleanse the ends. When rinsing, it's so important to make sure you get all of the product out. I make sure I part my hair in the middle so that I'm getting all of the soap and the hard to reach spots out. Make sure I'm properly cleansing my scalp because sometimes leftover shampoo or conditioner can make your scalp itchy. And then next, I am following up with a deep conditioner. This is by Joico K-Pack, and it's the Intense Hydrator Treatment for dry, damaged hair. You want to make sure your hair is fully saturated with conditioner, so if you have to apply more, feel free to do so. I try to make sure I get each and every strand full of conditioner, especially the parts of my hair that may be a little kinkier or drier, just making sure everything is getting lots of love. And then next, I'll just wrap it up in a top knot and then put a shower cap on for deep conditioning. After 20 minutes of sitting under a heated dryer, then I'll remove the shower cap and massage my scalp. This helps with increasing circulation and it feels good. Then I start the process of detangling. I'll divide my hair into 4 sections. Because I am straightening my hair, I am actually going to use a brush to help detangle. This one works pretty well, and I always take my time with it, making sure I start from the ends and working my way up. You want to make sure you're taking your time with this process and being very gentle with your hair. As you know, the hair is very gentle and vulnerable when wet. Once detangled, then it's time to rinse everything out, and again, just make sure you rinse out all of the product. Next, you want to squeeze out as much of the water as possible before beginning the process of straightening the hair. Then I tie a microfiber turban on my hair, which also helps with absorbing some of that moisture. Next, I'll apply the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. This helps with heat damage, and I'll spray it everywhere from root to end. And then I follow up with the Redken Extreme Anti-Snap Leave-In treatment. This I only apply from like mid-shaft down to the ends. After both products are fully dispersed throughout the hair, then I'll begin to do the same for the other side. So now I begin the blow drying process. I divide my hair into 4 sections and then just get the blow dryer with a round brush and start blow drying. There's no particular method in how I'm holding the brush or the blow dryer. I'm literally just going from root to end. Sometimes if I'm being a little more meticulous or I'm trying to get a specific type of blowout, I will curl the ends with the round brush when blowing it out. But today it's just simple, just straightforward, root to end. After I finish a section, I'll twist it up into a nice little bun and then move on to the next. Now I'm doing one last quick run through of the entire half section just to make sure I didn't miss any pieces, and then I'll twist that up into a bun. So this is what the hair looks like once I take down the knot. Before flat ironing, I use the Tresemme Strengthening Heat Protectant Spray. This is the Platinum Strength, and I'll just lightly spritz it all over my hair and then brush it in. When flat ironing my hair, I also divide the hair into quarter sections, and then I start from the bottom and work my way up, small pieces. So here I am using the Sedu flat iron, and this goes up to I think about 450 degrees, but I always keep it on 360. I will do a quick pass from root to end. Usually I may go over the root a couple of times, and I never do more than 2 passes on a single piece. After I'm done with the small piece, I will roll it up into a pin curl and then repeat the process. When doing this, you want to make sure that you are dividing the hair up into small sections depending on your hair type and texture. The smaller the section, the more likely each strand is able to get a good amount of heat. I also like chasing it with a brush. It helps to detangle and get any kinks out while you're in the middle of flat ironing it, which allows for a smooth and sleek finish. And this is what it looks like once I am finished. So next I'm gonna add a little bit of Watermelon Love Drops, which is like a humidity frizz buster and heat protectant, just to add also a little bit of shine. After that settles in, then I can begin taking out the pin curls. So as you can tell, we were able to get some nice little curls without using a curling iron. And then at this point, I just kind of comb through the curls a little bit and just fluff out the hair, toss and turn it, and style it as desired. As time goes on, the curls will eventually drop and then you will have straighter hair. So I avoid adding any hairspray or anything like that. And I will also be sure to link all of the products that I used in the description box below. And there you have it, straightened hair at home, voluminous with nice bouncy and full curls. So that wraps up my routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you end up using any of the products or tools, definitely let me know how they worked out for you. Also, if you have any questions or concerns about the steps that I took, any of the products, feel free to leave a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Just hit that picture below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.